Hello girls, welcome to my channel. I spent these holidays with sweet gifts and watching movies, but it's time to create beauty. So beautiful beachy ways that look like from Victoria's Secret show how to curl hair with flat iron. Let's go! Styling is always starts with brushing the hair well. I always use massage comb. It's much faster and easier to brush hair using such comb. I'm dividing all my hair into two parts, fixing the top of my hair and dividing the hair from below on two sides also. This is always how I pin up my hair when I'm going to curl it. I'm taking my favorite red flat iron from Irresistible Me. Moving plates, I hope I said it right in English, convex plates are suitable to create curls. It will be easier and more convenient to twist your hair with them. At first, I'm making my hair ends straight and not sticking out in different directions. It's usually more comfortable to curl on the left side of the head if you are right-handed. It's better to take thin strands. If I take a wide strand of my hair, it will not be curled. The styling looks more attractive when the curls are wound from the face. If you twist them forward to the face, it's not stylish, at my opinion. So I'm holding the iron with my right hand behind my head and turning a strand of hair back from my face. I'm scrolling the straightener about 2 times and then pulling the strand of hair down, considering that I need to leave the tip of strand straight. You can leave the straight ends shorter. I got such long tips of hair, so do it how you like it. Sometimes the curl doesn't come out and you need to wait until the strand cools down and curl it again. If it still doesn't curl, don't worry. It's necessary to adapt to this method every time I curl my hair with iron, in this way every time like the first. But after the first part of the hair, it becomes easier and hairstyle works out perfectly. Yes, sometimes it turns out that the curl is scrolled only above and below and the middle stays straight. It's best to just curl this middle of strand again, not the entire strand. After curling my hair, I'm using hairspray. Now it's usual hairspray from Londa, but sometimes and more often I just forget about fixing my hair with some spray. If you curl your hair not at first time and already used to do this, it takes about 30 minutes to style the hair. What's next? The fun begins. On the right side of the head, curling is not as easy as on the left. But there is good news. After the first strands, you will understand how it's comfortable for you and curling will turn out well. The main thing is to keep calm, curl strand in different ways, then hold iron on top and then on the bottom and try again and again. I found this position of iron. I am holding the iron from the bottom and put away the strand back. And also I'm turning iron for about 2 times and I'm pulling the strand down to the tip, leaving the tip straight. In fact, when you get to use curling your hair like that, it becomes very simple. I'm fixing my hair with hairspray. I was afraid that they would suddenly fall apart while I would be curling the rest of my hair, but usually the curls on the iron hold perfectly without fixing with spray. 2 more sides left to do. Here I am dividing the hair according to the pattern of my hair. I have a straight line. Styling is already become easier now. I trained on the lower locks a lot. By the way, don't especially try to succeed with the lower strands. They will still be covered by the rest of the hair. It's better don't relax with what is visible from above. Well, when you already trained, curling turns very easy. But still 1 or 2 strands are not perfect, although you seem to be doing all in the same technique. We should give it time to cool down and then try again. I don't know why I curled my bangs like that, and I can't understand if it suits me, but it looks pretty. If you also have a bang, it's better to curl it also with all hair for harmony in your hairstyle. And here is the final comes near. From this side and not even comfortable for hands, but hairstyle is created in so easy way. From the face I'm holding iron 2 times. And now I'm pulling such a loop down the lock, leaving the tip straight. So simple. I used to press very hard on the strand by iron and the strand does not curl. When you don't make such pressure like me that your fingers begin to hurt, but hold your iron without pressing on it, then the curl turns out easier. Excellent strand. Some strands just need to help to understand that they are curled. I'm using my fingers to set direction for it and it curled itself. By the way, yes, with straight ends you can get such a beach waves look. When curling hair completely to the ends, it just looks like usual prom curls. I'm fixing my hair with some spray. And now I'm taking hair oil from Barks Oleosetta series. It's so good for hair, and I need it for the tips so they won't be look dry. Wet, lightly moistened, they look like icicles. You know, it look like the hair after sea water. And now the most pleasant moment in styling. I'm running my hands under the hair and using my fingers as a comb, so all strands would not hang down like spirals on the head. It also gives volume and bouffant to the hairstyle. And if you fixed it with spray, then you don't have to worry that the hair will fall apart. The hairspray has already fixed the hair anyway. And even if you comb it with a message comb, the wave will remain on your hair but would be more bouffant. I look like a mermaid, like running through the beach in a red swimsuit and like my hair waving by the wind. If you are going to take holidays, let's make such curls yourself there. You will get very cool photos with them. Well, my video is going through the end with a standard phrase. Do you like this hairstyle? If you liked my video, thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe if you're at first time here. And see you soon. Bye.